Lesotho Uitreik 2026. Wat 'n voorreg.
The Lesotho outreach for me was really an amazing experience.
Die Lesotho Uitreik van 2026 het ons oor grense geneem. Nie net fisies nie, maar ook geestelik.
It was such a privilege to spend those days in Lesotho to serve God, to be shaped, and to be built up in ways I never expected.
My experience van die Lesotho Uitreik was regtig net amazing. Ek het elke liewe oomblik geniet.
This outreach pushed me beyond my comfort zones.
Lesotho 2026 was vir my 'n besondere ervaring.
You learn so much about yourself, about Lesotho, about churches and about God, and you experience God in so many ways, and you come back home looking at your life with a completely new perspective.
From playing with the kids to the labor that we did in Marija, like laying the water pipe and painting the rooms and fixing the roof of the one house. It was really just amazing experience, and sometimes it got tough, but just knowing that God walks with us every step of the way.
Besides leaving with a full heart and several more friendships, I have also gained self-confidence, confidence in my capabilities, both physical and spiritual. I have a lot more peace facing both my daily challenges and the more difficult ones. It's a different kind of reassurance that if you give and do all to His glory, not only will you most probably succeed, but you'll also find joy beyond your own capabilities. And this is truly something I don't think I would have learned if not for this outreach.
This outreach really just changes you in so many ways.
Of ons nou plafonne insit of waterpype lê, dat mens saam met dit ook mekaar se lewenswêrelde en stories kan leer ken, en daar is iets baie kosbaar daarin.
One of the highlights was definitely when the theology students in Marija saw that they had running water. Once we fixed the water pipe, was definitely a highlight for me.
Somewhere between the conversations, the laughter, the sweating, and the ordinary moments, strangers became friends. I built bonds that will carry with me long after this trip.
Hierdie uitreik het my wêreldbeeld verbreek en my gehelp om 'n perspektief te ontwikkel waarin ek die Here se teenwoordigheid in die alledaagse raak sien.
I learned so much about the culture, the lifestyle, but mostly about myself.
Van die snaakse kosoomblikke tot die slaap so laat in die aande het ek regtig nie een oomblik gedink ek wil by die huis wees nie.
The mountains and the skies reminded me just how big God is, but the time we spent in stillness with Him every morning and every evening reminded me how close He is.